Good morning, my dear students. Today, let us start problems. First question. Number 1. Find 3 by 7 plus minus 6 by 11 plus minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22. All of you listen. These two are negative numbers. So we put bracket here. We can do this very easy way. All of you listen. How we can do it? Group two terms. Both have same LCM. So here 7 and 21. 7 3s are 21. So we can group 3 by 7 and minus 8 by 21. Is it clear? Here 7 3s are 21. Here also denominator 21. So we can group these two. That is equal to 3 by 7 plus minus 8 by 21 plus. Now here 11 into 2 is equal to 22. So we can group these two together. That is equal to 5 by 22 plus minus 6 by 11. This step is clear. Now we can do like this. Here we can take 21 as LCM. 7 into 3 is 21. So we can multiply 7 by 3, then multiply the numerator also by 3. Then what we will get here? 9 by 21 plus minus 8 by 21. This step is clear? Here the denominator is 7 only. We have to make the denominator as 21. 7 into 3 is 21. So multiply the numerator also by 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Then 9 by 21 plus minus 8 by 21 plus 5 by 22 plus here the denominator is 11. 11 into 2 is equal to 22. Then what is minus 6 into 2? Minus 12. So this we can written as minus 12 by 22. Now we can add these two and these two. That is equal to, what is 9 plus minus 8? That is equal to 1. 1 by 21 plus, here what is 5 plus minus 12? Minus 7 by 22. Now all of you listen here. For 21 and 22, there is no common factors. Then how we can add this cross multiplication like this? That is equal to 1 into 22. What is 1 into 22? 22 plus minus 7 into 22. Sorry, minus 7 into 21. That is equal to minus 147 divided by product of these two, 21 into 22. Now we can find 22 into 21. 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. That is 2, 6, 4. Now what is minus 147 plus 22? Both have different sign. Here 22 have plus sign and here it is minus sign. Both have different sign. So find the difference and give the sign of the greatest number. So we can find the difference. 147 minus 22. That is equal to 5, 2, 1. That is equal to minus 125 divided by 462. Okay, any doubt? Here Once more I will explain. 7 and 21 have common factors. So we group these two. 11 and 22 have common factors. So group these two. Find the LCM. Then add. Then here 21 and 22 have no common factors. So we cross multiply like this. 1 into 22 is 22. What is the sign here? Plus. Minus 7 into 21 is equal to minus 147. And in denominator, multiply the denominators. Here 1 is positive and 1 is negative, different sign. So we have to find the difference. That is 125 and give the sign of the greatest number. Greatest number is 147 and the sign is minus. So the answer is minus 125 by 462. Now question number 2. That is multiplication. Find minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 7 into 15 by 16 into minus 14 by 9. All of you listen. Here we are doing multiplication. In multiplication, no need to find LCM. Most of the students are doing like that, finding LCM and doing. In multiplication, no need to find LCM. We can cancel and write the answer in the lowest form. No need to multiply also. If any number we can cancel, first we cancel, then write the shortest form. All of you listen. 5 3s are 15. So we can cut one denominator and one numerator like this. 15 is a multiple of 5. 5 into 3 is 15. So we can cancel like this. Here 3 3s are 9. So 9 and 3 we can cancel here 3. Now these two 3s we can cancel. Now 16 is 4 into 4. Here we can cancel by 4. Here 4. Now we can cancel. 14 is multiple of 7. 7 2s are 14. So we can cancel 7 and 14 here 2. Now any numbers we can cancel. Here 4 is here. In denominator 4 and in numerator 2 we can cancel this 4 and 2 here 2. Now any more numbers? No. Now we can decide the sign. Here minus, here also minus. Minus into minus is plus. And in numerator only 1 and in denominator only 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. Clear? Once more I will explain. No need to find the LCM in multiplication. You just cancel and write the answer in the lowest form. Here 5 and 15 we can cancel. 15 is 3 into 5. So we can cancel by 5 and write here 3. Now we can cancel 9 and 3. 3 3s are 9. So we can cancel like this and write here 3. This 3 and this 3 we can cancel. Now we can cancel 16 and 4. 4 4s are 16. So write 4 here. 7 and 14 we can cancel. 7 2s are 14. Then this 4 and 2 we can cancel 2. And sign is minus into minus is plus. Underline the answer. Now what is additive identity? You know what is additive identity? Additive identity is 0. We can just check one example also. Eight plus 0 is equal to 8. When we are adding 0 to any number, we will get the same number. So 0 is the additive identity. Now you write not number 1. Not number 1. 0 is the additive identity. And write this example also. Then second one. What is multiplicative identity? 8 into which number is 8? 8 into 1. So what is multiplicative identity? 1. Then write next number 2. Multiplicative identity is 1. And write the example 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Then number 3. Additive inverse. What is additive inverse of 8? Additive inverse of 8 is minus 8. All of you listen. Just we can add these two. 8 plus minus 8. What is the answer? 0. When we are adding 8 and minus 8, we will get the additive identity. The answer is the identity. So additive inverse of 8 is minus 8. Then third note is, right, additive inverse of 8 is minus 8. And down you write 8 plus minus 8 is equal to 0. Then number 4. Multiplicative inverse. Anybody can say what is multiplicative inverse of 8? 8 into which number is 1? 1 by 8. So multiplicative inverse is reciprocal of the given number. So what is multiplicative inverse of 8? 1 by 8. 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. So you write not number 4. Multiplicative inverse of a given number is reciprocal of the given number. And write one example also. 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 1. Okay. Is it clear? So today let us wind up the class. Okay, thank you.